welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. Let's explore how to easily block distracting sites on your iPhone or iPad. If we want to block any Safari sites on our iPhone or iPad, we'll start by going to Settings, which is where we can control and customize various aspects of our device, including its security and content restrictions, allowing us to tailor the experience to our needs and preferences, making it a great place to start this process. Next, we'll navigate to Screen Time and then select Content and Privacy Restrictions, which is where we can effectively manage and control what type of content is allowed or blocked on our iPhone or iPad device. After that, we'll proceed to the App Store settings, specifically Media, Web, and Games section now. Here, we have an option to click on Web Content, which allows us to control the type of websites that can be accessed. And we'll click on Only Approved Websites. Now, we can choose to limit adult websites or specify which ones to never allow by typing in the URL of the website we want to block. For example, if we want to block Instagram, we'll put the Instagram website here to prevent access. To verify that our restriction is working as expected, we'll open Safari and search for Instagram.com, allowing us to see if the website is indeed blocked, which gives us a great opportunity to test our configuration and ensure everything is set up correctly. Our site has indeed become very strict now, reflecting the new security measures we've put in. Now you can block websites on Safari. Check the description for a special offer, and don't forget to like and subscribe.